Boom! Instant flashlight. Let's go.
This here, Lumenology.
I don't have to bring in an electrician, and I don't even have to pay for these on the electric bill. It's a win-win. At the bottom, there's actually a magnet in here, so I can just attach this to any type of metal poles that I have around. Or if I have some tricky places, it came with this great stand, so I can either just prop it up, or I can actually like wrap it around certain things.
I'll put it on the auto, and then it becomes a motion sensor light. So anytime somebody walks in or out, the lights go on and off.
Or like me, if you're using it to work on some projects, you can set it up and mount it somewhere.
What's cool too is that it's waterproof. So anytime it rains, it's good to go.
Look how beautiful this is. I have my lights up here, you can see them here. Them magnetized up there, and it is super bright in here. I can see all of my clothes.
Convenient, waterproof, even has a motion sensor. Get yourself Lumenology, you need to check that out.